Hello everyone! What I'm wearing around my chest is a dental bib. It's the most commonly used disposable hygiene product during teeth cleaning or other dental procedures. And the market demand for it is huge. Next, let me take you through its production process. This machine here is the Dental Bib Composite Folding Machine. Its production speed is super high, reaching 200 to 400 pieces per minute. This is a horizontal half fold. Fold in the vertical direction. This part is the tie string die cutting section. It can also be adjusted to produce non-die cut flat bibs. The raw materials are single layer or double layer wood pulp paper, PE film, and reinforcing strips, which are combined through embossing lamination. And here are the finished, cut dental bibs. The lamination is tight and firm, the folding is neat and even. The cutting edges are clean and precise. And the die-cut tie strings are accurately positioned and easy to tear off.